Nagi is definitely like giving me main character vibes in Blue Lock. Like it's kind of like Naruto and Sasuke. You know, like Isagi is Naruto, but Nagi is Sasuke. He's got that dark energy. It's kind of cool. And we got a good panel recently. So he's kind of sitting in like a white sort of, what's that, soccer skin tight stuff. So it's got Under Armour kind of stuff. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So our boy Nagi. So he's kind of in profile, right? So I'm going to start with his nose. So curve it out. And it's kind of like a letter L or an upside down 7. Right? It's kind of like an upside down 7. Right, and then his nostril there. Now his hair comes across here. So, but we can't see most of the eye, so maybe I'll do that. So just up from this a bit, like diagonally. It's not like right across from it. You get like his top eyelid line. And it's quite heavy and dark, and we'll go across right to the edge. Okay, and then I'll just get the shape in for it first. So it sort of spikes down. It's kind of big, so it goes down and around. I'm going to thicken up the top eyelid line, like quite a bit, right? And his hair does come across some of this, so do that extra line actually down here as well. And his eye is black, so that'll be color black as well. So in that big black disc of an eye. In there, right. And then they just leave his pupil white. So that's there, and then black. Do do do. And then I think we have like an eyelid line just here. And then another one above. And then like the hair covers most of the rest. We can't see a bit of his other eye actually. But let's say if we drew the hair spike coming down here. Just coming across this eye. Right, just going up. And then kind of cross that way. Right, and then just like a hair spike coming this way. And then down here. And then we can see like a little bit of his other like black eye kind of sticking out here. So it's like these are eyelashes kind of. And then there's a black disc kind of here. And then like a little bit of the white of his eye. I think slightly visible there maybe. Yeah. Right, and then there's obviously more hair then starts to go that way. So his mouth, very small. Just like that. And then curve it for his face. Down there. And then his chin comes around. For the jaw. That way. And this joins his neck. Going down there. And they draw, there's like a bit of a jawline drawn in, right? Because they do it sort of kind of broken. And then it goes this way. We see his ear. Like that. And then we get like hair spikes. Like some hairlines down this way then. Like a neck muscle line here. And then we'll do the rest of the hair that just goes around his head. You can hear whistling in the background. It's my heater. So I have like, it's winter here, so there's like the pilot light on a heater, you know. It's like going bee. I hope that's not too annoying. Sound, man, you know. When you do YouTube, you gotta consider sound. So spiking this all around. Keep going. People tell me I talk too much, so, I'm like resisting the urge to like just talk about random stuff. It's nearly Christmas here, so I'm like excited for Christmas break. Kids are excited. I hope you're excited. Or do you celebrate? Maybe you don't. So that's what we got so far. Nagi celebrates Christmas, doesn't he? So kind of just spiking around. Coming down here. So like the back of his neck. See, he's kind of got long hair. So like the back of his neck is... So we've got like a collar there, like there somewhere. So we're like aiming for here. Just like in line with the ear, maybe. They always remind me of shark fins. It's the go-to hair shape in anime and manga. kind of get bigger and smaller and kind of curve just different directions. Boom. Let me see, is there a bit of eyebrow? Maybe up there. It's very dark, so I'm not quite sure if it's eyebrow or shadow or what. All right, so pose, sort of like body position, right? So the dark lines that sort of wrap around his body are the thing that makes it sort of show its shape, right? There's a bit of a bump there. So I'll just curve his back, right? It's quite big. And every now and then you get a little bump like that because that skin tight Under Armour stuff does have little folds as it stretches around the body, you know. So that's like his back, right? And the collar for this just goes there. And then, so the center line, so your neck muscles, right? So pretty much your neck muscles kind of tend to go into the middle of your chest, right? So I'd say that's the middle of his chest. And you probably have another sort of, kind of like his shoulder as well. So his like shoulder's right here. Okay. And his arm just comes down. We get like a couple of folds. And his other arm goes out this way. So these are like kind of like suggesting like his muscles, right? Those kind of lines. And then the front of his chest comes here. And then his other shoulder goes out and his arm is like resting on his knee. So it goes that way and then goes down. Do. Very distinctive manga panel. It's cool. So we'll just get the knee in, just underneath his elbow, down for his thigh then, and it goes down, you know, he's got hands and feet and everything all down there. But I thought we'd just focus on the portrait because hands and feet are quite challenging, especially if you're a beginner. So the last thing we do is draw those blue lock straps that kind of go around all of this, right? So for example, here, it's kind of like all inverted, the colors. It's normally black and like light in the manga. This is like light and then black. Which is kind of interesting. I'll just add them now. If you know Blue Lock, you kind of know what I'm talking about anyway. So we just do these. It's like a tape that wraps around the whole body. And it gives form to everything as well. Going up this way, and then so that's like his collarbone. So this follows the collarbone and wraps around his neck up there. Oh yeah, and then we have the B team, so he's on the B team. So this crest sort of shape, it has a B here. It looks like another sort of, I don't know, like pentagon shape or something there. More straps wrapping around. Boom. Nagi. Blue lock. Cool character. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.